Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to manage multiple teams in Microsoft Teams. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and download the Microsoft Teams application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Microsoft Teams if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, as you can see, we have the activity, the community, chat, and the calendar. In the bottom left corner, we have the invite to teams and the search bar in the very top of the screen. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and manage multiple teams in Microsoft Teams. So each team in Microsoft Teams can have multiple channels dedicated to different topics, projects, or departments. This helps keep discussion organized. Pin your most frequently used teams and channels for easy access. Right-click on the team or channel and select Pin. Mark important teams as favorite and hide the ones you don't need to see every day. Right-click on the team and select Favorite or Hide. Set custom notifications for different teams and channels. This way you can prioritize alerts from the most important teams. Go to Settings, then Notifications. Utilize tabs and apps within each team to integrate essential tools like Planner, OneNote, or other third-party apps, enhancing your workflow. Use the team's sidebar to quickly switch between teams. You can also use the Control plus Shift plus 1 or CMD plus Shift plus 1 on Mac to switch to the activity feed, and Control plus Shift plus 2 to go to the chat. Use the search bar at the top to quickly find messages, files, or people across all teams. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.